Hello everyone, I am coming on to show you my KSCraft January 2025 die cut samples. Okay, I'm only working with 3 of them today, so let's get started and show you what I've made. So this is the KSCraft Easter banner. See those little dies? Anyway, there's some cute dies in here. Pardon my hands, they're covered in glue, but it's par for the course, okay? But anyway, just showing you, these are the words, and then the layer piece to the banner. And then these are little bitty confetti, the bunny, the flower, an Easter basket, and an Easter egg. They're super cute. Anyway, let me show you what I made with them. Put that up real quick. So, here's the banners. And you'll see where this came from in a few minutes, but here's the banners. I used them on kind of like a little confetti mix. And I used the bunny and the peeps on these, so that's just, you know, little bags with the topper that I made. And let me show you the rest of them. I think these are super cute. I'll put them there. So I did have extras that I didn't decorate, but this just kind of shows you what it looks like in different colors. I used all Michael's paper, some of the shimmer paper. Here is Easter, and I glued some of those little images on there. The little flower was Sunday. Bunny with the basket and the little bunny. And then peeps with the little flower. Sorry for shaking the table. I gotta figure out how to, ooh, this one got messed up. Nope, it's really hard to see. It's the chick. I should have used a darker paper, but that's okay. All right, and then here's some of those little bunnies and flowers, eggs in the basket that I cut on the side. Okay. So moving on to the next one. Go ahead and get this out of the way. Okay. Now you'll get to see. So these are the KSCraft 2025 Easter Sequin Mix. So you're going to see where I got the little bunnies. Show you. If I can get this open, I'm going to show you the plates. These are awesome. I haven't used this side, but I definitely used the bunny and the jelly beans. You'll see that. The Easter plates, I mean these die plates are awesome. They're just amazing. So let me show you what I did. Here is a mixture of all that goodness. Jelly beans and the bunnies. Cut out of all kinds of paper. I will make a sequin mix out of this for sure. Okay. But I want to show you something that's left over when you cut. Look at this beautiful. You know, you can use that on cards, or that's the jelly beans. You can use it on cards, or, you know, just cut it down to size to use on cards. And that's what I did. I just made a simple little card, and I put a strip of that with the bunnies behind it, because there's bunnies on this paper. And this is Echo Park paper pad. Let me see. It's this one. The Echo Park Easter Time. I bought that last year on the warehouse sale. So I will be trying to do the Paperstashsmash challenge on this one. But anyway, there are so many ways you could use this. Let me know how you would use that. It's just a lot of fun making that. So my challenge is to use up the rest of that. Okay, let me get to, oh, and I also used these papers as well. Let me see. These two papers and this one. So these three papers. Okay. All right. Let me get to the third one. This one is very cute as well. Pardon my stomach. It's probably going to start growling. I haven't eaten today yet. Okay. This is the KSCraft 2025 Easter shaped tags and stamps. Let me show you this. I have not used the stamps yet. Whew. So they're going to look pretty and pristine. So Faith, he is risen, got chocolate, blessed, happy Easter, egg hunt, hello peeps, honey bunny, snuggle bunny, hello spring for you, and then they have these cute little egg images. Okay, now here's the dies. I love them. That little tag die, the bunny tag, the chick tag. Here's another rounded top tag, an egg tag, and then this cute little tag. Here, let me show you what I did with these. I'll show you this first. A bunch of the little bunnies. I did it on that double-sided paper from that Easter pad that I showed you in the shimmer. Look at that. Could you know, do it either side. Okay. Show you some of these. Just solid. And then I had leftover from making that card, and I punched it strategically to get the bunny in there, and then look at the back. So cute. And then these are just solid, and then the same paper there. Okay. And then here's this little tag. And that one. Okay. And then the rounded tag. Cute. And then I just have a few of those. And then here's the chick. Chick is really cute. Okay. And then I just went and packaged some up, and with a little topper. You could sell these at craft shows. And, you know, just put a few of them in there and package them up that way. All right, so what is your favorite die set out of here? Comment below, let me know. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Goodbye.